Hi guys, it's Leah, and today we're going to do my slime collection. So let's start. So we have pink slime from Mackenzie. I saw it on YouTube. So that's it. Not that good. I'm not going to judge her. I don't think it's that good as my other slimes. So, yes, that's one slime. And then my next slime is from my friend Lucia helped me with all the slimes. So, this is Smelly Slime. It's yellow. See, that's much better. And the next slime is my own slime. This is getting into the messy range, so it's stickier. This is Fluffy Slime. That's my sister in the background. My Fluffy Slime.
Oh, and you guys should go check out my channel. It's called Kai J Vlogs. So, yeah.
And then this is my friend's slime. It's pink. This is not fluffy at all. This is regular slime. And that's smelly. And then we have my other friend's slime, which is really sticky.
No, this one is snowy.
This is my other friend's slime. It's sticky.
Snowy is the most.
Goodbye.